Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's open up Settings, and from here let's scroll down to Device Care, tap on Storage, tap on Advanced, and then tap on the SD card right here, and you'll find the option to Format. Just tap on it. I will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from it, so you might want to back it up before, assuming you want to keep something. If not, tap on Format SD card. And the process will begin, start removing all the data from it, and once it's finished, which should be right about now, it's going to be immediately ready to be used once more. There we go. Tap on Done, and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.